Hello Cupcakes, welcome back to another video, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to do DIY paper airplanes. I made two off of camera. This is my one for LPS. It's pretty successful, but you're going to have to pretend it works because it don't really work because it's not as big as the real ones. So I have this one. Oh, and I'm sorry if you see this pink right here. It's because it's my phone case and it can't stand up in the way, and I have to look at the camera to see if it's working, and that's the way it stands up. So yeah, and here's my one for Barbies. It's because I think this one will work actually. No, this one don't work, I guess. I don't really know. But I guess you could pretend it flies. Like you could get a string and then glue it to it, and then you could pretend it's flying like this, or you could just use your hands because you're gonna have to have a string connected to it. So like you could like have a string like it. You can have a string that it's holding it, then you could have the string laying down, then you could take the string, then you're like, and then you're up, you can grab the string, and then raise the LPS, and then have the LPS through it, and then it's flying. Yeah, that's how it could work. But I'm gonna need to look at this, because the last video I made was that one. So you're going to need to cut a triangle. Well, the paper needs to be folded. Well, let me just do it. Okay. First, you're going to need a paper. And then you're going to need some scissors. And you could use Sharpie to do designs on it or something. So yeah. So you're going to want to cut a triangle. Well, you're going to need to fold it, and then it works like a laptop. So, and then fold, and then get the side that's folded and make a triangle. I'm not the best. Okay, so I have my triangle right here. And then you're gonna have to like fold a little triangle on it, like so. Like this. I'm sorry if you can hear stomping from upstairs. My friend LPS and Sangirl 123 is up there. Oh, and one shout out to LPS and Sangirl 123. Well, a shout out to her. And then voila, you need to put up the flaps. And then you have a paper airplane. A miniature paper airplane. Voila, a paper airplane. And I'm recording off of YouTube, so I won't be editing that much, so yeah, because I don't really know how to edit yet. So now I have my paper airplane. Now let's fix my other paper airplane. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that, and if you did, smash that like button, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye. I can't really get my hand on, but bye. And sorry if I did mess up. Okay, just fine. This is like one of my first videos. This is my second video I've ever made, and it was a success. Yay! Bye. If the camera can stop.